Why do 90% of traders lose money? Well, we've been studying traders' losses over the years, and there is one thing that they have in common: lack of a clear strategy. That's why. Today, I'm going to walk you through a strategy that eliminates all the guesswork and puts you in a real edge in the market. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will have a proven strategy that you can start using immediately. If you're ready as I am, let's get started. I'm Alex, and welcome back to the Olymtrade channel. First off, a huge thanks to everyone who watched and commented on the last video about the secret of the top 5 oscillators. It's packed with insights that you don't want to miss. So if you haven't watched it yet, the link is in the description. Today's strategy revolves around a powerful combination of 2 indicators: the rate of change and the awesome oscillator. This is one of my personal favorites because it helps you filter out bad signals in order to ensure that you are in early so you are not entering too late. And the best part is, you don't need to be a trading pro to set it out. It's super easy, just like liking and subscribing to the channel. Unlike many indicator-based strategy, this one reacts quickly to price changes, meaning you can catch the trend reversals before the big move happens. In other words, it can save you from being late to the party. The rate of change indicator measures the momentum of price changes and helps to determine the direction of a trend to find its reversal point. Visually, it moves with a chart and periodically intersects the 0 level. The awesome oscillator, on the other hand, shows you the momentum behind the price movement, which helps you spot the trend strength. We have green bars indicating a price rise and the red ones representing a price fall. By using these 2 indicators together, you can easily filter out false signals. Let's set up the strategy on the Olymtrade platform. So first, we select the Japanese candlesticks chart, which can be found here. Next, we move to the indicator section and add the rate of change indicator with the default period of 14. Next, we move to the oscillator section and select the awesome oscillator, which measures the trend strength. So when combined together, these 2 indicators can help us identify the probability or high probability trade setups. I always recommend setting a trade duration that is 3 times the time frame. And here we have the strategy all set up. At this point, I'd like to remind you to like this video if you want to see more of strategies like this, and subscribe to the channel in order to level up your trading. Here's how the strategy works in practice. First, we look for a crossover on the awesome oscillator. That is, if the awesome oscillator crosses above the 0 line, it signals a buying opportunity. And if it crosses below the sell signal, it represents a sell signal. We check for the rate of change. That is, if we have the rate of change above 0 and rising, it confirms strong bullish momentum. And if it is below and falling, it actually signals a bearish momentum. And finally, we look at a correlation between the bars, that is between the awesome oscillator and the rate of change. So we only open trades when the 2 indicators align, as this increases the accuracy and also reduces the false signals. But there's one thing that I would want you to remember: there is no one size fits for all strategy. Some of you might prefer to add an extra layer of confirmation by adding another indicator. That's perfectly fine. The beauty of this strategy lies in the flexibility. It's actually one of my personal favorites, and you can easily tailor it to suit your trading style. So let's break it down. Here we see that the awesome oscillator is crossing above the 0 line, signaling a potential buy. We have the rate of change also confirming an upward momentum. At this point, we can enter a trade at the next candle just below the recent support level, as you can see here. To exit, I think we'll have to watch for the awesome oscillator to flip or the rate of change to weaken, that is to move below the 0 level. So there we have it, our strategy for today. I'd also recommend you to check out our epic video about test driving strategies. The link is in the description. And don't forget to drop a comment below about which strategy you'd like us to cover next in the next video. As you know, we are always listening. If you found this video helpful and you want to see more strategies like this one, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more trading tips and videos like this one. Happy trading and see you next time.
All Limb Trade. Care that counts.